Greetings from Phillips Station, where the California Department of Water Resources is up doing the first snow survey of the year. Off in the distance, we have our snow survey team out doing measurements. But new this year, and we are very excited to bring you some live aerial footage so you can get a different vantage point of what it looks like when these snow surveys take place. So as you see, Sean DeGuzman out there with his trusty measuring tape to find the very first snow survey location. And we'll be bringing you those live results at 11:30 this morning, so stay tuned for that. Hello once again, and to give you a little bit of an idea of what you are looking at right now. So there is Sean de Guzman's team, and they're doing the snow survey up here at Phillips Station. So right now, the snow survey is taking place at 6 specific locations located on the snow survey site. And so this is really key because they go to these 6 same exact locations and they use this measuring tape in order to make sure they know that they are taking the measurements from the same exact spot each and every single time they do a snow survey. Now, they're going through, and as you can see just by the grass peeking up from the ground, but there's not very much snow on the ground itself, and so really cool they're using that orange bag to help with their measurements this year, or rather for this snow survey for this month. And they're going through, he sticks the pole into the ground, pulls up the snow, and then measures that, and measuring the water content that will be found in the snow. And also new that you might also be seeing from our aerial drone that is taking some visual images to give you just a different vantage point of what it looks like up here right now with all of the snow that we have gotten, or rather the snow that maybe we haven't received compared to last year, which we had a record-breaking year. So looking a little sparse, but Sean and his team will be going through. They go to these 6 different sites, they get an average, but then they also compare this to the snow survey locations taking place throughout California. So we'll be bringing you those results in a little bit, so make sure you stay tuned to find out how we're doing this year for snow content.
All right. Well, good morning, everyone. First off, my name is Sean de Guzman. That's spelled S-E-A-N. Last name is de Guzman, spelled with a lowercase d-e space, then a capital G-U-Z-M-A-N. And I just want to welcome everyone here to the Phillips Station Snow Course. I am the manager of the Snow Surveys and Water Supply Forecasting Unit here at DWR. So for this is basically our first snow course measurement of the year here at the Phillips Station Snow Course for our January measurement. And again, this represents just one out of over 260 different snow courses that are measured statewide by different cooperators of the California Cooperative Snow Surveys program. So for our survey today, we recorded a snow depth of 7.5 inches and a snow water content of 3 inches. That results in 30% of average to date and 12% of the April 1 average here at this location. We always use that April 1 snow metric because in terms of snow water content, that's typically when our snowpack is at its peak here in the Sierra Nevada. And then for our statewide snowpack, based off of our automated snow sensor network, our statewide snowpack is looking at about 25% of average to date, which is pretty well in line with what we're seeing here today here at Phillips. So I'll go ahead and repeat those numbers. The survey today recorded a snow depth of 7.5 inches and a snow water content of 3 inches. That results in 30% of average to date and 12% of the April 1 average here at this location. And then the statewide snowpack is currently sitting at 25% of average to date based off our automated snow sensor network. We've conducted snow surveys here at the Phillips Station Snow Course dating back to 1941, recording both snow depth and snow water content. And snow water content is really that critical measurement we're always kind of looking for, because theoretically that's the amount of water contained within the snowpack, because that's really what we're interested in, is how much water is in the snowpack. And it's information and data like that that we're able to plug into various models to figure out how much runoff we'll have once the snow all melts in the spring and summer to refill our reservoirs for water supply. The January snow survey is always our first big reveal of snow conditions for the year. And on this date last year, our snowpack was already, our statewide snowpack was already at 177% of average to date, which is more than half of the average yearly total. Here at Phillips last year, on this date, we were standing on almost 5 feet of snow, so vastly different than what we are standing on here today. Today's result shows that it's really still too early to determine what kind of year we'll have in terms of wet or dry. And there can be so many things that happen with our storm systems between now and April, when we should see our peak snowpack. Luckily, our statewide reservoirs are still well above average this time of year, thanks in part to how wet it was last year with our wet winter. And our statewide, our reservoir storage is looking at about 116% of average right now. Right now, California is experiencing, California is preparing for both extreme conditions, either extreme dry or extreme wet conditions. And we're doing all we can to prepare our flood infrastructure, and we're coordinating with our emergency response partners, reservoir operators statewide. And then basically we want to make sure that all Californians continue to pay attention to any of their local forecasts, sign up for any local emergency alerts, local county emergency alert systems, and then always make sure to have a go bag in case there is any issues that arise if anything were to happen. With that, I'll take any questions.
Can you explain the orange bag?
The orange bag, yes. So what I was doing here was a little bit different than what we're used to seeing, especially considering what we saw last year. So what that orange bag is, it's a little nylon bag. It's a snow surveying technique called bulk sampling. And you use that method when you don't actually have too much snow on the snow course. Basically, when we weigh the snow in the tube using our scales, sometimes there isn't enough snow to make a difference to actually pull it down. So we'll actually dump the snow into the bag and then dump multiple samples into the bag until you can actually get something to register on the scale. And then we divide that out by the number of sample points that we actually had to do that for. So a little different method compared to last year, but still nonetheless glad to have something on the ground.
Can you talk about how much of the season is left and how much time we have to potentially make that?
Yeah, we still have a lot of the season left. Obviously, we still have January, February, March to come, and even we have the possibility of some April snowstorms too. So right now the Climate Prediction Center's seasonal outlook for January, February, March is still showing an increased chance of above normal precipitation and snow. We're still waiting to see that. Next, starting this evening, we will see a system come in through tonight into tomorrow with a little bit of break in between, and then another one coming in over the weekend. But good news is that cold front is coming in, so that storm's going to be a little bit colder, bring snow elevations a little bit lower, closer in the range of that 4,000 to 5,000 foot elevation band.
This site has gotten some rain, but it just makes it so much rain.
Correct. So some of those storms that came in earlier in the year, right now we're sitting at about 6,800 feet in elevation, and we're standing really close to that rain and snow transition line. So throughout the day, depending on temperatures, we could see snow, we could see rain right here at this location. So that's why some of the snow is actually a little bit more dense than usual. A lot of fresh snow is very fluffy, light, sugary, powdery, but this was pretty dense snow. So this has had a lot of rain where it's actually absorbed a lot of that rain into the snowpack. All right. If there's nothing else, we expect to be out here again for our second measurement of the year for our February snow survey. I believe that's tentatively set for Thursday, February 1st. Thanks.